guys, welcome back. It's Shelby. Today I want to show you my #1 trick for how I can pack an article of clothing on a cross-country trip and have it not be wrinkled when I get there. The secret? Tissue paper. I use white just in case my bag gets wet on the tarmac with rain or something and moisture seeps in. Then it won't run on your clothing. If you have like red or a patterned tissue, it's a possibility. I'm going to be demonstrating the method / technique on a dress and a shirt, just so you guys can see kind of how it works. I've always had a great deal of success with this method. I hope you guys do too, and we'll get right into it.
All right, step #1, lay out enough tissue that it will completely allow your garment to lie flat on it without any fabric hanging over the edges. It doesn't matter if it's wrinkled, that just allows more air in and is going to allow for better protection. Step #2, lay your garment out flat. Make sure there's no creases or wrinkles. If you have something like that, that's not gonna work. So lay it out nice and flat. Next, lay a piece of tissue paper just across the back and we're going to begin folding. You're going to want to fold the garment just the way you would if it didn't have tissue paper. And then once you have a nice little square, very lightly roll it. Notice I'm not really squishing it down the way I would with normal clothing. The point is to leave air to allow the tissue to do its thing and make sure that the fabric doesn't get wrinkled. So that's my shirt. That is ready to go in the suitcase. I'm going to show the dress next. It's a similar technique, but slightly different. Step 1 is to repeat. Step 1, lay out enough tissue for your garment to lay flat. Step 2, lay your garment flat. Step 3, completely cover your garment with tissue. Don't be stingy, you're protecting against wrinkles here, and tissue is cheap. And fold as you would normally. I do like to fold the tissue over it, just provide a little bit extra protection. As I said earlier, the key is to not really push the tissue down. Allow for the air, allow for it to crinkle about. It's going to just protect it better. For a dress, I said it was slightly different. I like to start just at the bottom. I don't fold it the way I do shirts. I just roll it straight up from the hem up, so it's one continuous column. Very loosely. You can see there's a lot of space in my hands between the roll. Very loosely roll it up. And that's my dress. So you'll notice when you roll your clothing this way in tissue, they do take up a lot more room than if you were to roll them tightly without it. It's important to let them. Let the tissue keep the air in it, keep the insulation, keep the protection from the wrinkles. Don't try to cram them into the corners of the suitcase. Don't kind of warp and noodle them into weird shapes. Just let it do its thing. Give it as much room in the suitcase as possible, and your garment will turn out great when you get there.
All right guys, that's it. That is my tissue trick for packing an article of clothing that you don't want to wrinkle. I've always used this with a great amount of success. A good rule of thumb is whenever you get to your destination, be that a hotel or wherever you're staying, is to pull that item out and hang it in the closet just in case. If you're looking for more ideas or inspirations for smooth traveling, I've linked some of my favorite products down in the description below, along with my socials. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you did like the video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.